Welcome to Picatel. In this short video we'll show you how to support your child with accessing books on the Picatel reading platform. Navigate to picatel.com to find the 3 methods to view the library. On any web browser, click School Login on the top right hand side. Should you have a mobile device, click on either of the App Store links, scan in the QR code and download the app to your device. Your child's teacher will have supplied the username and password for your child to access the library. In this instance, I am going to click School Login, followed by Login. I'm going to enter the username and password, and now I'm on the home page of the library. A child can access the books within the 28 categories. The assigned books from their teachers appear on the top shelf. I can use the search function to search for books by book language, reading stage, books with quizzes or without, and then the various categories. In this instance, I'm going to search for the keyword Arabia and access the first book, and now open it up in my browser. Within the book, I can choose to read independently or with the audio function.
This is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a large country in the Middle East.
So far, we've looked at books in a web browser. Should you wish to access it on a mobile device, download the app and log in with the same credentials. I can see the assigned books at the top of the shelf, and I can access the different books within all the categories by scrolling up and down the page. In addition, you can search for books using the filters, reading stage, categories, and books with or without quizzes. There's also a student reporting page that shows books read, quiz time, reading time, and quiz scores. Thank you for listening to this short introduction. If you have any questions, please contact us at schools@picatel.com.